Hey Mom, what you cooking today? We had apple pie or what?
Yes, we are cooking apple pie because we are going to cook an apple pie today.
One evil kicking chicken goes into the room because he's grounded forever because he's a big trouble.
Man, I can't believe it. I can't eat an apple pie. My mom ground me forever. What should I do? I know. I'm going to eat an apple pie a lot.
Evil kicking chicken, what are you doing? It's my apple pie.
Yum 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 yum. Why I'm blue? Why I'm skin is blue like a blueberry inflation?
1 hour later.
My friend mi voy a dormir un ratito.
Put back my normal and says like that.
Warning, if you eat blueberry pie, you'll be turned into blueberry inflation. Thanks for watching. I will be good December 2024 next time.
It's raining tacos from out of the